The undisputed king of the box office, Salman Khan, who once made headlines for his anger and attitude, has changed the thoughts of many with his humble and kind nature. Be it his hug with Shah Rukh Khan या फिर अपनी पुरानी प्रेमिका ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन के लिए तारीफों के कुछ शब्द, सलमान खान ने अपने स्टेटमेंट से हमेशा सभी को शॉक कर दिया है. The Great Karan Arjun episode was one such moment where both the stars just couldn't stop gushing about.
मेरा मानना इस पे ये है कि रमजान का महीना है, वली मंद रमजान, ये जेस्चर मुझे ही नहीं बल्कि हर एक को करना चाहिए कि you're passing somebody, it's a good thing to shake hands, to hug. अगर मैं नहीं करता, what is the use of that? I mean, you're not being human. So.
You know, I'll be very honest, there has, whether it's my relationship, friendships, personal aspects, I think none of the people that have had relationships like this, all the men and women, and I've never dignified it by talking about it in public. I like to keep it like this. And, you know, people have, with due respect, their tabloid analysis to this. So much is said, so much is heard, so much is written. But as far as we are concerned, I've always been one, whenever I've been in a passionate issue, that I've never spoken about it. I'm not going to begin now, and I will never talk about it. And, you know, it's for everyone to take it forth. There's nothing coming from, you know, in terms of explanation and all that I'm reading and hearing about it really.
SRK की सक्सेस स्टोरीज तो आपने कई बार सुनी हैं. फैंस ने प्यार से उन्हें बॉलीवुड के बादशाह, किंग ऑफ रोमांस एंड द किंग खान ऑफ बॉलीवुड जैसे टाइटल्स दिए हैं. लेकिन क्या हो अगर वंस अपॉन अ टाइम आर्क राइवल टर्न फ्रेंड सलमान खान भी उनके किंग खान टाइटल से अग्री करते हो?
So what do you want to say, man? But there is a king there anyway, so I mean, he can be the king, no? You got a problem with him being the king? Because I don't have a problem with him being the king. You're talking about Shah Rukh, right?
No, I'm not talking about Shah Rukh. I didn't mention Shah Rukh.
Yeah, but
No, my question is...
I'm mentioning him. If he's the king, then he should be the king. Keep him there. Yeah, that's a good position.
ओहो, ये तो सोने पर सुहागा हो गया. Shah Rukh too did not leave an opportunity to thank Salman for his kind words.
We're all kind to each other, we respect each other. I think what we have achieved, and which genuinely I'll include myself in it also, is a very individual thing. बहुत मेहनत से हमने वो कमाया है जो हमने कमाया है. हम में जो कमियां हैं, जो क्षतियां हैं, जो सही चीज़ें नहीं हैं, inclusive of all of them, we've been entertaining for many years. So there's a lot of respect. I don't think anyone means disrespect to anyone. So we all respect each other. These names, thoughts, titles, number 1, number 2, number 5, number 7, this doesn't really matter. You know, at the end of it all, मैं सच बताऊं, जहाँ से हम काम करते हैं वहाँ से यही होता है कि अगली वाली सही बन जाए यार, and ठीक ठाक हो जाए. And what we say is not really, it's meant with goodness for everyone. So if you ask me a question like this, I'm thankful to anyone who thinks of me like this, anywhere in the world. And God has been kind to me.
Similarly, कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ था former Miss World ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन के साथ when she blushed while talking about सलमान. दरअसल बिग बॉस सीजन 7 के एक एपिसोड में सलमान खान ने अपनी एक्स लवर की खूबसूरती की तारीफ नेशनल टेलीविजन पर कर दी और इसी के रिएक्शन में ऐश ने भी मुस्कुराते हुए सलमान को थैंक यू कहा.
Thank you very much. It's always a little odd, and you know, I've always been I get fidgety and uncomfortable and awkward when it comes to experiencing compliments, but I will say that I've been brought up well enough to graciously say a thank you, and it feels good, so thank you so much.
Well, there are a few instances of Salman's kind and generous nature that has not only left Shah Rukh and Aishwarya, but also his fans' eyes popped and jaws dropped. So दोस्तों, क्या कहेंगे आप सलमान खान के मीठे बोल के बारे में? Post your comments below and subscribe to Bollywood Now to get your daily Bollywood buzz.